Hello guys, welcome back. Paul Jones here. Today I want to speak to you about the Golf Mk1 Heater. Many complain that it doesn't work effectively, it blows cold air. So in this segment I want to give you a few tips as to see what you can check to make it work effectively. With winter coming up here in Cape Town, South Africa, we need our heaters to work, for that demisting action, because when your windows get fogged up you don't want to be able to not see properly. So it's very important for this heater to work. So that's why I'm saying let me give you a few tips. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to check is your what is called your heater control valve, which is this component over here, and that actually opens up and closes the coolant that runs through to your heater matrix, and that is controlled by the switch inside, your on-off switch, and this cable pulls onto this lever here and it opens and closes the valve. So what actually happens also is that this cable comes undone here, and then you don't actually have this thing being activated here when you pull on the lever inside. So always check if that is on, because that is off. Then you won't be able to get coolant flowing into the heater pipe here. So nothing will flow through, or it may even get stuck open. Another reason why your heater will blow cold air is if the matrix itself is clogged up with rust. So it's very important to flush out that matrix from time to time. You can go to my video how to do a coolant flush on my channel. Just search for it there and you will see how to flush out the matrix itself. Very important to do that, because you definitely won't get maximum 100% hot air coming from your heater. Also check if you don't have any leaks around the switch itself, because they are common to leak, and people leave them too long, and then eventually when it does leak at such a high level, then you're in big trouble on the road. So if this part leaks, then I would suggest that you replace it, and rather be safe than sorry. Hope this was helpful and that it will help solve your cold blowing heater. And also remember to flush out your cooling system, get rid of all that rust in your heater matrix. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this segment. Please like and subscribe.